Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for our young audience out there, financial tips for teenagers. It's never too early to start building good money habits. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, create a budget. Now, I know it might sound a bit serious, but trust me, it's a game changer. Start by noting down your sources of income, if any, and then list your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Tip number 2, save, save, save. Even if it's just a small portion of your allowance or any money you get, putting it aside consistently will add up over time. It's a great habit that will serve you well in the future. Tip number 3, learn about investing. Now, you don't need to be a finance guru, but understanding the basics of how investing works can set you up for financial success. There are plenty of online resources and apps that make it easy to get started. Tip number 4, be mindful of your spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a want or a need. This simple question can help you make smarter choices and avoid unnecessary expenses. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to ask questions. Whether it's your parents, teachers, or even online communities, seek advice when you're unsure about financial matters. It's a great way to learn and make informed decisions. And there you have it, our quick financial tips for teenagers. Remember, building good money habits now will set you on a path to financial success in the future. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay financially savvy.